One of the energy medicine instruments that we use the most is a pendulum. The pendulum is an incredible tool that allows the user to connect to an energetic field that connects us all, allowing the pendulum user to communicate with this field through yes/no answers indicated by a clockwise or an anti-clockwise swing of the pendulum.
This makes the pendulum the perfect instrument to dowse through lists for answers and can be used in any area of life. The trick is for the dowser to stay neutral.
In Radiant Life courses, we teach you how to connect with your higher intelligence and how to stay neutral and centered so that the answers you get are clear. Join us for an extraordinary journey to discover the ancient art of dowsing with pendulums through various exercises.